This video is just for entertainment and educational purposes. It does not promote any hacks, social hates, violation of laws. This video is just about a program bug exploit. However, it does not affect any individual or monetized platforms. Keep watching. Yo guys, what's going on? This is Barefox back again after a very long time. I'm making a new video on nvidia GeForce, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get it. So the previous video was actually working, but after a few things or the updates, nvidia GeForce now has patched it. So you can't anymore use the previous trick, but this time I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get it. But it's a bit time consuming. You cannot get it instantaneously. You have to wait a week or two, but it's gonna be working. Alright, so just follow each and every step shown in this video, guys. Let's begin with today's video. So first of all, you have to have a Steam account if you haven't yet already. So this is one of the most important thing that you need to have. Alright, then guys, what you have to do is go to your Chrome browser, open temp mail and get a free ID from there. You do not have to pay or get anything for it. It's just simple. You have to, there's a link in the description below, guys. You have to go over here there and just get the ID. Alright, then go to create nvidia account over here and copy this ID and paste this over here. Take a display name. So my display name is, as usual, yade one, okay, 2369. Then my password, and hit connect. And once you are connected over here, just refresh this page. Alright, the Google page itself you have to refresh, reload it, and then you guys have to go open a new tab and you have to type my IP location just to confirm that the VPN is working. So here is your public IP. You have to open this. What is my IP address? And this will show you your location and show the complete location. So there is my complete location and it's in somewhere Kansas. Alright, so now it shows me that I am at United States. Go over here, go to nvidia GeForce now, this website, and scroll all the way down and over here request free beta access. Alright, now over here, guys, you have to accept the terms. Now the first name that you need to type is your original name. Then you have to choose your location, so that's United States. That's done. I have to search for a city. Okay, so we are close to Wichita. Alright, so let's go over here and type in, I guess that's the name, WICHITA. okay. Alright, so Wichita, and age is gonna be 23. Then hit submit. Now once you're done with this, guys, you have to wait for a week or two, and not longer than that. It's not gonna take more than 2 weeks, but just 2 weeks you have to wait for it. Then let me just open up my GeForce account. So here is the GeForce account. I have already logged into it, and you guys can see my name that I had, the display name that I have took. So that's not the yada, that's my original name that I have took over here. So here is my ID, and now I'm going to be showing you guys a proof gameplay that I actually own GeForce Now account using this trick. So for that I'm going to be playing the Fortnite game. You guys know it's very popular. So you guys can see analyzing the network, it does not ask me the GeForce key, it will automatically activate. And make sure you guys have the VPN on while playing this game. So once you have opened the game, you can disconnect. You have to disconnect the VPN because you will experience very big lags. Believe me guys, there is latency lags. So I have to wait until it is connected. So you guys can see the game is now loading up. It is not asking me the code or waiting list that you guys feel the error. And let me tell you guys that I have not yet received the code or a waiting list confirmation message from GeForce. Then I'll hit disconnect and I have to wait. And as you guys can see, GeForce Now is loaded, and for that matter let me just open up the game and show you guys. Alright, so there is Fortnite launcher, and my account I have already signed in, so I don't know if I'm gonna be getting into my account or someone else, but let me just log in and play this game. And as far as I remember, I have already logged in and tried to play this game. So let me just open. Alright, so you have to sign in with a different account. That means that someone else was using this screen, and now I have to log in with my account. So guys, I'll be back in a minute, so let me just log in. Also guys, make sure that you do have the two-factor authorization. So let me just get my two-factor authorization. Alright, so my two-factor factorization. Okay, so that's the code that you need to enter, and it's now gonna be launching your account. Alright, this is just a proof guys that this trick that I have shown works actually. Alright, so as you guys can see on the screen, I am running Fortnite now. Let me just give you a complete, I'm not editing this clip. Alright, it's just connected to what I was making and what I will end. Alright, I'm not cutting this video into two parts or split it. This is all my account. You guys can see Dr. Barefox. If you have previously seen my videos, that's my username. Alright, so this is not any others videos that I'm showing right now. Alright, let me just get into my account and let me show you guys the complete proof. So I'll wait for this to load up, and I'm not gonna switch the screens. I'm just gonna be fast forwarding the video right now. So I'm logging in, and that's Fortnite. I have to go to Battle Royale. Let me just show you one clip of game that I'm going to be getting into right now. Alright, so I'm going to go into the creative itself. Alright, so let me just get into creative really quick, and make sure that you guys have the settings. Alright, I'm going to be getting high ping on Europe. You have to keep it auto, the server. That means the nearest server that is broadcasting you the game, you guys gonna get connected to that, and you'll get a complete low latency. Alright, for me right now, I'm gonna do creative and into Europe servers right now. Let me just show you a clip of game. So as you guys can see, the quality is not that high because my internet upload speed is a bit slow today. I don't know why, but that's what my account is. You guys can see on the top left, it's Dr. Barefox, level 185. It's a bit slow, but again, that's gonna be working, guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, let me just start the game, and let me just show you guys a little bit of gameplay that you guys can experience on GeForce Now. Alright, so that's how you guys are gonna play this game. If you have a good internet connection, this might work completely fine for you. Alright, so you guys can see It's very slow, guys, for me right now, because first of all I'm playing on the United States server, and second of all that the ping over here is not really good. I'm playing on somewhat 80 ping. So that's my island, as you guys can see. I'll go back to the hub, and here's the clip of, guys, what I was playing on nvidia GeForce. Now once you have played, you guys can actually just quit this game, man. So I'm really done. I'm gonna be quitting this game. So that was the proof, guys, that GeForce now actually works like this, and you guys can just go and claim it out. It will take 2 weeks. But guys, if this trick works for you, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment that it works, and we'll meet you guys in another video. Till then, stay tuned and bye.